Forests and wildlife. The forest is a complex ecosystem consisting mainly of trees that have formed a buffer for the earth to protect life forms. The trees which make up the main area of the forest create a special environment which in turn affects the kinds of animals and plants that can exist in the forest. The FAO, Food and Agriculture Organization, has defined forest as land with tree crown cover or equivalent stocking level of more than 10% and area of more than 0.5 hectare. The trees should be able to reach a minimum height of 5 meters at maturity. In the tropical and subtropical region, forests are further subdivided into plantations and natural forests. Natural forests are forests composed of indigenous trees not deliberately planted. Plantations are defined as forest stands established by planting and seeding in the process of afforestation or reforestation. There are about 16 major types of forests in India, from the tropical type to the dry type.